It's an offence. You're allowed to record in the public place. You're allowed to record in the public place. Yeah, and I'll tell him that you're racist towards white people. You're racist towards white people.
No racist. I am not a racist.
Well, you obviously are. You're just telling him that you're going to kill me or something.
You are a fucking bastard because the same time.
You said you want to kill me. You said you want to kill me. I don't understand. Wanking off in front of everyone. Sure, wank. Look, you have your pants down. Can if I want. It's my country, boy. My country. Ireland. It's my country. It's my country. It's Ireland, boy. Why did you come here if you don't like it? Why did you come here if you don't like it? Yeah?
Yeah, and take my house now.
Oh, fuck.
And I can show my paper.
Jeez.
I can show you my paper.
Tough day though. Tough day. Tough day.
Don't take my house. I tell you that. Don't take my house.
Ah, yeah. Pull up your pants then.